You and your guests are going to love the opportunity to sit back and relax while your carriage driver unfolds 300 years of fun-filled history on your mule-drawn carriage ride. We cover the storied history of New Orleans, discussing everything from our resilient culture to the aging architecture. While our carriage tours cover a ton of history, they aren't boring history lectures. Aside from history, we'll chat about things like food, cocktails, nightclubs, jazz, museums, must-sees, and things to do. Service animals allowed. Public transportation options are available nearby. Infants are required to sit on an adultâ lap. Suitable for all physical fitness levels. Deep cleaning for carriages. Not wheelchair accessible. Bring your ticket with you to the attraction. Be aware that operators may cancel for unforeseen reasons. You must be 18 years or older, or be accompanied by an adult, to book.